Hello friends, welcome to KSS Agro, and now we are looking at the power weeder of 7 HP diesel power weeder, where I don't want to suggest petrol power weeder to the farmers, because a petrol power weeder will be taking a load of 212 cc, whereas 7 HP diesel power weeder will be taking a load of 250 cc, and it can be run on air cooled diesel engine, and whereas petrol power weeder will be heated up with a minimum of 1 hour of usage. So a diesel power weeder will be running off continuously because of their air cooled engine. And one of the farmer we got around now, he is actually looking for a power weeder from 3 years past, and he was actually purchased a diesel power weeder. And here I am going to give you the live demo with no edits in my video. I don't want to edit my video because every farmer and every customer should be knowing about my power. So here you can see the complete field was filled up with full of stones. The farmer was fed up with actually stones, so he was scared a little bit. But later on, when I have shown him the demo, he was completely satisfied later on. And you can see whatever the weed is there on other lines, and whatever the weed removal is done by the power weeders with the working whatever it is done. And you can simply go ahead with the diesel power weeders, no issue, no tension at all. You will be having a single, there is no maintenance at any cost. Diesel power weeders will give you the long life, no need to go worry about that. If you have any questions or else doubts, you can contact KSS Agro. KSS Agro is already with you, with your farmers, with the farmers. So farmers in the sense KSS Agro in the sense farmers. Thank you for watching the video. And if you have any doubts, you can call me on my number 9482990305, and that is already displayed on the video. Yeah. Thank you friends, thank you for watching the video.